Alright, so we about to ride the bike to the gym with the Oakleys on. No helmet. I'm scared. Alright, so we're about to head to the gym and we're taking nothing but the Oakleys on the face. I'm scared. I'm not the type to ride like this, but we're trying to get some content with the bike for the YouTube, so we're about to see how it goes. My hair's gonna get fucked up, I know that. But here we go. Oh yeah, hair's definitely getting fucked. Watch. I got cold tires, so I can't even hit it. Yeah, my hair's fucked. Oh, I need a hat. Do need a hat. Hair's fucked. That's my hair. Oh well. We got the Oakleys on though. I low-key like this view. Now the problem's gonna be if we're gonna get to the green light or not. Oh no. As long as traffic on the other side doesn't go through, we'll don't stop going through. We'll be good. Okay, hey, come on. Oh my goodness. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Hell no. That was embarrassing. Oh man, I was too focused on the light. I forgot about the clutch. Jesus, boy. Ugh. My hair's fucked up. I need a hat. Man, this thing. Keep going. I'm not waiting with a light. Still fucking hot. Oh man. How fucked up is my hair? Fucked up. Man, you can hear the roughness on this bike. Pops, baby. Dude, pops.
right there. Dollar Tree.
Your bike is really cool.
In area.
Huh?
Your bike.
Oh,
It's
thank
really
you.
cool. I like the colors.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're over here. Yeah.
Get on a meeting call and I'll turn the camera off.